The first step to removing an existing electrical box from a wall is to try to identify the type of box that has been installed. Odds are good that it is the original box installed before the walls were enclosed. This type is called a new work box. There are many varieties of new work boxes that attach to a stud. The boxes installed in this 1952 home are mounted on horizontal rails that span between studs or furring strips that were fastened to a cinder block wall. I'm in the process of removing old cables and installing new ones with ground wires. I need to remove this box located on an outside wall. Its rails are mounted onto furring strips. I'll make an additional video showing how to install an old work box. If the box you are removing is not located beside a stud, then it may be mounted on rails. Ensure that there are no other electrical circuits, telephone cable, coaxial cables, or water lines in the area where you are working. Also, turn off power and verify no voltage is present before beginning any work. I chipped away mud and mortar from around the perimeter of the box. I needed enough space to slip a metal cutting blade between the box and the drywall. When the bar was close to being cut, there was a lot of vibration which made sawing difficult. I wedged an old screwdriver against the bar for the final part of the cut. To cut the other rail, I'll use a Dremel tool with a 1.5 inch cutting wheel designed to cut metal. I'll have to cut the last bit of it with the saw. I'm going to pull it down apart. I'll push the bars out of the way and be ready to install the new box. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name to find the other videos in this series, and thanks for watching.